Since we've been using Drain Punch, Carl did come by and tell us about it. It has been a phenomenal product. We haven't had to call a plumber as much as we used to. When he says you put it in, leave it for 1 hour, and go away and do something else, he really means that. Because when you come back, the clog is gone. So we really do appreciate him coming here to Highland Woods Apartments and telling us about it.
And what about the pee-free?
The pee-free is awesome. The pee-free gets all the stains out of the toilets, so we haven't had to buy as many toilets, and I'm sure our ownership is very happy about that.
Did you use the Drain Punch at home?
I used the Drain Punch at home on my sink upstairs in my bathroom. It was my hair that was clogging it up. My husband was not happy, but we were able to get all of the hair out of there, and it sent that clog right on away.
If you want to be as happy as Nikki is, try some Drain Punch. Either go by Ferguson or give me a call or check us out on the website. Thank you so much, Nikki.
No problem.